Glück Workshops. With Glück, I offer workshops where I use arts and technology for creative development. I also offer lectures and I write articles and give interviews where I discuss the importance of creativity, which I refer it as a tool for thriving and living a life that is unique to each of us. I created Glück in 2015 because I believe in the fundamental importance of exploration and curiosity and creativity in childhood and consequently in adulthood. I believe that when you stimulate the reserves of creativity and experimentation, you open up a part of yourself that makes you connect with your own power, with your creative power, makes you connect with yourself. Through my work as an artist, I normally have a lot of ideas that I like to work and experiment and play with. And I normally bring these ideas also to my work with children. I worked with children from all over the world, and I learned one fundamental truth about human beings, which is we are all the same. We are all creative. And it's very important that we nurture this part of ourselves as a means to live a life that is meaningful and unique to each of us and independent from whatever is happening outside in the world. On my website, you find more specifics about my work and how we can work together. Thank you for your visit, and I hope to see you around.